If you need to cancel a pending Zelle transaction, it's important to act quickly, as transactions can complete rapidly. Follow these steps to cancel your transaction before it goes through. Step 1. Open your banking app. Launch the mobile banking app or the app associated with Zelle on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Find the section of the app that displays your recent transactions. This is usually labeled as Activity, Transactions, or something similar. Step 3. Locate the pending transaction. Scroll through your recent transactions to find the pending Zelle transaction you wish to cancel. It should be marked as pending or in progress. Step 4. Select the transaction. Tap on the pending transaction to view more details. This should provide options related to the transaction, including the ability to cancel it. Step 5. Cancel the transaction. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the @.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Once you have completed these steps, the pending transaction should be cancelled. Always double-check your transaction history to ensure the cancellation was successful.